Add dynamic content. This video will show you how to add dynamic content to your player. What is dynamic content? Dynamic content is mostly web-based content that is shown within a browser on your player or smart TV. You can use dynamic content from the content store, such as text messages, microsite, EasyBoard, and text scrollers. All these types of widgets and content are using HTML5 as a technology source. To select dynamic content, you are using the same process in adding content and files. Go to Campaigns or click on Add New Content. Select the campaigns, locations, or players you want to play on. Click on the right arrow to enter your selection. To select dynamic content, go to the Media drop-down menu. Live TV. Live TV will give you the option to select between live TV streams such as RTP, UDP, or HLS streams. To use live stream, just type the URL or IP address to the stream. If the stream is RTP UDP, you will not have a live preview on the web interface, but it will work on the player. If you are using Smart TV or have a capture card built in, such as BrightSign's AT players, under Video Input, select HDMI. Under Text Message, you can post fast text messages to any zone. Instant Message allows you to post fast messages and modify font type, color, and size. Changing the type to scrolling. This allows you to create a scrolling text message on a bottom banner. Make sure you create a zone that fits scrolling text. You can select the scrolling animation direction. Enter the text message here. Select whether the scrolling text will have a background or transparent effect. You can select background color, text color, type of font, text styles. Use the slider to select text size. And finally, text scroll speed. You will have a full view of how your text scroller will look like on your display. Changing the type of text to line by line will do the same as a scroll, but the effect will be showing the text line by line. The next media type is EasyBoard. Watch the EasyBoard content creation engine to create EasyBoard. After you create EasyBoard, you can select from here and assign them to any zone on your display. The next media type is microsite. Please watch the microsite video to learn how to use and create microsite. After you create a microsite, you can select them here and assign them to any zone. Under Web Page, you can just type any URL. Our system will adjust and fit the web page in the zone. If you want to disable our responsive technology to adjust the web page to the zone, use the checkbox Disable Responsive. You have another setting if you want to disable using iframe, disable scrollers, or server-side request. Another media option is to point to media RSS on remote systems. If you are using media RSS as a source to push files to your display, enter the URL here. You can select the max record of the files to pull from the media RSS feed, and you can select if you want to play them all in your playlist or only one media file per loop. Under the App Store, you can view all the apps you installed from our store by category. If you don't see any apps, then you will need to go to the UCView App Store and install some apps. Watch the App Store video on how to install apps. After you install some apps, you can find them here. For example, if you have some weather apps installed, go to the weather category and select the app. Now you can select which zone and duration the app will play in your playlist. Press Save and Publish to update your displays. Thank you.